If you know, you know. Let's do the honors and unbox. Let's unbox my first Labubu ever. Say, I want the purple one. That's my favorite color. So luck or the secret. As you can see, they're like very. Oh my gosh, let's go. We can't look inside the box, I've heard. Oh, they changed the packaging because it wasn't like this, but that's a cute package. Oh my gosh, I think it's a pink one. Which one's this one? I got luck! I got the one I wanted! I can't believe it! Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful! Prepare to be sick of me. That's kind of creepy though. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. My first Labubu. Love her. Wow. I can't believe I got the one I wanted. That's crazy. Wow. Speechless.